For the triple cluster, or some people call it the treble cluster, this is for the balanced rock beanie and the balanced rock cowl. They're worked in the round, but I made a flat one. And you have, this row is going to be 3 double crochet and then 3 treble back post to make these stand up. So the next row, you got 3, but you're going to do a triple cluster here, which is going to turn these 3 into 1 stitch. So you need to chain 1 before it, then the treble, chain 1 after. Okay, so now I've got my 3 double crochet, chain 1. Now for the cluster, yarn over twice, insert the hook behind the post, yarn over and pull it through, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over again, insert behind the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. And now you're going to do the same thing a third time. Yarn over, behind the post, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Now you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loops. You're going to yarn over one last time and pull through all 5 of those. Chain 1. And there's your triple cluster, which will be the top of the balanced, well, the top of the bottom portion of the balanced rock. Let me do one more time to show you. Do my 3 double crochet. Then chain 1, yarn over twice, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, insert around the post, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, insert around the post, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, then yarn over and pull through all 5, and then chain 1. And that gives you the balanced rock.